Whoa! My price on turned up cause I'm chosen. I can't die yet, my wrist ain't frozen. I mean go down, we get high and we focus. I ran it up, put my wrist.
Alright, so if you guys actually watch the vlogs and actually care, you know I didn't upload on Christmas. I think I just take like family time for granted, and I was at my parents' house for Christmas Eve and Christmas, and I took that day off. And it's kind of been challenging to upload vlogs with all these events going on. Like New Year's is gonna be this Monday. It is currently Saturday right now while I'm recording this, but some of the clips are older from like 2 weeks ago that I was gonna make for the Christmas vlog, and I just wanted to take time off, so I didn't do that. But there's some pretty funny bits and stuff in this vlog, so I hope you guys enjoy. We got steak. I've never cooked steak in my life. And me and Landon both have our own, and we're gonna see who can make a better steak.
Probably me.
Probably Landon, honestly, because he cooks all the time.
I'm
Jake is always awake. Filet mignon.
Now to just Google how to cook filet mignon. Filet mignon, foolproof recipe.
Are you serious? We're actually doing this?
This is a competition. It's a competition.
We both need to follow the same recipes.
No. We need to see who does better.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Rose digging through the trash? What? You said what?
Don't hate me because I have all the ingredients. Ladies, if you want some good cooking,
See how she's looking. What the fuck? That's not good.
how do you put this up? I don't even know.
Oh! Whoa!
So how do you think your game plan is going so far?
It's not even. Did you see his fucking bum ass steak? Come on now.
We're almost fucking lit the kitchen on fire.
It's just the pan was just like, oh my god, this is so fucking fire. I just had to like. That's mine. I'm just afraid that yours being in there with mine is gonna ruin the flavor.
Do you fucking hear this guy?
I mean, I sure hope I'm wrong.
Phantom tags.
Chug jug.
We made a fucking rub and everything. Garlic aioli, fucking.
The only thing that you have going for you is that the juices from mine might flow over to yours.
You're so dumb.
Oh my god. This is good. Pretty good.
Get all the good juices of mine out of your mouth, so you don't confuse it.
Yeah?
Also pretty good. What the fuck?
Thank you. Thank you. Alright.
It's closer than I thought it would be.
Let me try yours, man.
It's a lot closer than I thought it would be.
Let me try mine. You can try mine too.
Alright.
Not good.
Yeah, that's pretty fucking close. I mean,
Let's go confer below. Yeah, let's go. We'll be back.
I'm honestly a little nervous.
Oh wait, you guys.
Council has spoken. The final conclusion has been made. Before we go into our results, we're going to give our reasoning for why we gave such our choice, I should say.
Okay.
Brandon, you had a rough start.
I did.
Real rough start. It didn't look like it was going to go well at all. I had to tell you how long to cook it for. But you made a miraculous comeback.
Thank you.
Amazing comeback. It's a plot for that.
It's a clap. It truly is. Landon. You looked up a recipe from the start, so we knew it was going to be good. We didn't know how good. It was also very well done.
Very, very good.
Consistent throughout the whole process.
We loved it. Every single one.
With that being said, Landon.
He's gonna give it to Brandon.
No.
No.
Not guaranteed.
We're not there yet.
Landon had a better consistency. It was better. It was cooked better.
Tastes like butter.
Brandon's had a slightly better taste, just because of the seasoning.
I actually agree with that.
So
With that being said, we could not make a decision.
Oh my fucking god.
So we flipped a coin, and Brandon won.
Oh, let's go. Bro, people are gonna watch this and be like, how fucking bored are these motherfuckers? We look so stupid. So Johnny is about to go have a photo shoot for Ransom right now, and he invited me to go, so we're gonna go to Malibu, probably get some vlog content. Hey. What's up, dog? Steezy, bro. We're on a mile-long walk right now.
This is mile 10, actually.
Mile 10.
It's that uphill incline, brother.
When are you dropping this collection we're shooting?
I don't know. I mean, it's really just for the sunglasses, but I have them in like one of the jackets as well.
Fire.
But I'm waiting for, I got dust bags made from 2.
Uh-huh.
And they don't finish production for like another week. But I want to drop them like pretty much ASAP.
That'll be sick. Damn, this looks fucking beautiful, bro. Doesn't even look like we're in Cali.
I know.
Looks like Oregon or some shit.
Yeah, like there's pine trees up there.
The new Ransom glasses on me. You see it?
I could boost you.
Not really a glasses wearer, but pretty hard.
Like on that right.
You guys look great down here.
Oh, thanks,
I
man.
wish I'd had a camera.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it. I know. Good man.
2 colorways?
3.
3?
Clear, black, and the turtle shell.
Dirty little lens. Who's a dirty little lens? You are.
Alright, buddy.
How are you feeling?
Yeah. Damn. Bro's out of breath.
Stop vaping.
Pass out.
We got fucking... Gabe came and went OT. Holy shit. He got off work at midnight because he closed and came and just shipped everything he could right now. So for all you guys that are complaining and saying we don't ship before Christmas, we just did an all-nighter to get these orders out to you guys before Christmas. I love you guys so much.
Oh my god. Oh, there's something.
Let's take a shot.
Huh?
Let's take a shot.
Do you have any water?
Yeah?
Can I have one before we partake?
I mean,
My
maybe
lips are
after.
dry.
I'm not gonna go down well.
I had the craziest New Year's, and I've been busting my ass editing for the last few hours trying to get this vlog out on Monday, which it's gonna drop tonight. As I'm recording this is when the video will probably come out, like damn near. I got home at 7 a.m. this morning. So that should just put into consideration what I went through last night and I guess this morning basically. But I wanted to take this time to tell you guys Happy New Year's. I feel like New Year's is a really good holiday for you to actually better yourself and take accountability for actions you've done in the past. And I want to tell you guys some of my New Year's resolutions, because some of them are personal. I'm not really going to talk about those, but just like surface level stuff that I'm excited about for this next year with like content and everything I'd love to share with you guys. New Year's resolution is just YouTube, being consistent on here. I have gotten some crazy numbers on videos and just like support I never thought I'd see on YouTube, so I love you guys dearly for that, and that's what keeps me going with uploading every Monday. In the future, it may not be every Monday because I still have to work on clothing collections and stuff because that's like my main income, but YouTube, I want to stay consistent on here. I've been consistent on here, so I'm going to keep trying to do that. I'm literally editing the vlog and pulled the camera aside to talk to you guys one-on-one about New Year's resolutions. Second is TikTok. I guess just content all around, being very consistent. I get down and get just all in my head when a video doesn't do well that I think should do well, or I feel like I always think I have social media figured out and I don't, and I take your guys' support for granted sometimes, but I'm trying to stop acting that way. I really do appreciate the fuck out of you guys. Another big one is health, not just like gym, because I've always been a slimmer person, so the gym has never really been my issue. I had surgery last year on my kidney. I have these scars right here, and that was freaked me the fuck out. So surgeries, I don't want to have any of those this year. I hope I don't. I also got my appendix taken out, but I've really been working on my health, more on like stopping vaping. Me and Landon are doing this thing where we only get to drink 20 times next year. So like if we drink one night, then we have 19 left. Like me and Landon are probably gonna take that serious because he sounded really serious about it. So stopping vaping, I've been doing really well with that. It's really hard to stop. I don't know if any of you guys vape. I hope not, but if you do, you know how hard it is to stop. It's one of the most addicting things ever. So I've been on these pouches trying to get off vaping because I want to conserve my lungs. It does take a toll on your lungs. I've noticed a difference, and I'm trying to get better. I haven't bought a vape in a decent amount of time, so I'm doing pretty decent. But I will be consistent with the gym again. I've been gaining weight, which is great. I've always struggled with gaining weight, and I hated how my body looked for a long time, so I'm actually grateful I have that confidence now to be able to do that. And also, the last one I want to talk about is clothing. So content, health, and clothing. Clothing I love so much. I hold it so close to my heart. When I was little in middle school, I've always wanted to do something with clothing, and I feel like I take the spot I'm in for granted sometimes. Like a lot of people do with their profession, and they're grateful to have it, but you just take shit for granted because we're humans at the end of the day. But I've always wanted to do something in clothing, and I need to be more grateful for the position I'm in and keep pushing out shit I love, because that's all I'm trying to do with Crypto World. That's my whole agenda with the brand, is just push out shit that I would wear that I love, and then you guys end up fucking with it too. So I think for Crypto World, I'm gonna try to do 7 collections this year. So that means 1 month on, 1 month off for the whole year, and then do a month back to back with collections. I think that'll be really cool. But yeah, I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you watched all the way to the end, I really appreciate you. I'm glad that you have the attention to span to sit through all this shit and watch me. But I love you guys. I will see you next Monday, and I hope you guys have a fantastic New Year's. I love you. Peace out.